Hey everyone, is WinRAR not opening on your Windows PC? This can happen because of a damaged installation, corrupted system files, file association problems, or a temporary Windows issue. In this full guide, I'll show you several ways to fix WinRAR not opening in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, try the simplest solution: restart your computer. Yeah, a temporary Windows process or background issue can sometimes prevent applications from launching correctly. Save your work, restart Windows, and try opening WinRAR again. If WinRAR still doesn't open, try running it as administrator. Open the Start menu, search for WinRAR, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. If Windows displays a permission prompt, select Yes. Sometimes WinRAR may already be running in the background, but its window isn't responding. Yeah, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Look for WinRAR in the process list, select it, and choose End Task. Then try launching WinRAR again. If WinRAR still won't launch, the installation may be damaged. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and find WinRAR in the list. If available, use the available repair or modification options. If repairing doesn't solve the problem, reinstalling WinRAR is the next step. Yeah, uninstall the existing installation, restart Windows if necessary, and install a fresh copy of WinRAR. This can replace damaged program files and restore missing components. If WinRAR suddenly stopped opening after a security change, check Windows Security for blocked or quarantined files. Don't disable your antivirus just to make WinRAR launch. Instead, review the security history and only restore or allow a file if you're confident it's legitimate. If other applications are also failing to open, the problem may be related to Windows system files. Yeah, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the System File Checker command. Let Windows complete the scan, then restart your computer and test WinRAR again. If WinRAR itself opens normally, but double-clicking RAR or zip files doesn't open it, the problem may be file associations rather than WinRAR. Open Windows default apps and make sure the archive file types you want to use are associated with WinRAR. If WinRAR opens but a particular archive doesn't, the problem may be with that archive instead. Yeah, try opening a different RAR or zip file. If other archives work normally, the original file may be corrupted or incomplete. For the best results, keep WinRAR updated, download it from a trusted source, restart Windows after major software changes, and keep enough free disk space available. If WinRAR isn't the only program that won't open, investigate Windows or security-related problems instead of repeatedly reinstalling WinRAR. And that's how to fix WinRAR not opening in 2026. Start with a simple restart, then check background processes, permissions, the installation, security settings, and Windows system files. If necessary, reinstall WinRAR using a fresh installer from a trusted source. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.